Now, when it comes to storing or keeping ripe bananas longer, there's usually a plastic film at the top of the bananas. You want to make sure you leave that on. What that does is it allows the ethylene to not escape and affect the ripening process for the rest of the banana. So it hastens the process. So leave that on. If you don't have one of those plastic films on, make sure you put one on. Now, and these are obviously stored on your countertop. Now, if the bananas have ripened way more quickly than you would have liked, and they end up looking like this, I like calling these speckled bananas, and I like using it for things like banana bread and smoothies. But before you even get there, here's what you can do. You can just go ahead and peel those speckled bananas. They're really, really ripe. You want to go ahead and peel them so they just don't go bad in your countertop. Take a freezer bag like this one, store it inside, put your bananas in, store it in your freezer, and you can have banana bread and smoothies anytime you'd like.